Add just a spoonful of baking soda to your bread, and you'll eliminate one of the most disgusting problems in your home. There's an invisible pest that no supermarket poison can eliminate. And worse, you're unknowingly feeding it. When I discovered this, I stopped wasting money on products that only mask the problem. The recipe? It's very simple. Take a slice of stale bread. The older and more fermented, the better. Fermented bread, especially when it's a little older, releases volatile organic compounds such as ethanol and acetic acid. These compounds give off a strong, familiar aroma to many types of organisms. They act as potent olfactory attractants, mimicking the smell of decaying food, one of the most powerful instinctive triggers in the animal kingdom. Now, add a spoonful of baking soda. Yes, the same one you have in your kitchen. Baking soda may seem harmless, but when ingested with the other ingredients, it changes everything from the inside out. That's exactly why it works so well. Next, add a spoonful of toothpaste. Yes, straight from your bathroom. Then finish with a spoonful and a half of refined sugar, the real bait in this formula. Mix everything until you get a sticky paste. The smell of bread attracts them as if they were at a buffet. But what happens next is the final blow. Women especially hate this kind of surprise. Cut the bottoms off some plastic bottles, save the caps, and use them as discreet little traps. Place them behind the refrigerator, in the back of the pantry, and near the drains. In 48 hours, they disappear without a trace. The sugar attracts them. The baking soda does the job. The rest? Silence. Much smarter than any insect repellent. And best of all, it's cheap. You already have everything at home, it doesn't smell bad, and it continues to work even in hot weather. And it doesn't just work on cockroaches. Mice hate them too. The most important step? Don't clean the corners for at least 3 days. That's how long the trick takes to work. And yes, it works. Try it today and see the difference tomorrow. Footprints disappear, as do surprise visitors. Bonus tip, double the recipe and store it in airtight containers for emergencies. You'll thank yourself for it when the first signs appear again. Much better than spending money on expensive sprays that only smell good but don't solve anything. All you need is the right bait. They eat and disappear. The first night, they appear. The second, fewer and fewer. By the third, you forget they ever existed. Final warning. Don't tell your neighbors. If they ask why their house was suddenly infested, well, now you know why. So tell me, how many have you seen before and after? This homemade mixture is the secret no one talks about. It eliminates cockroaches and rats without poison, odor, or mess. It works because it looks like food, but acts like a trap. I hope this tip helped you.